Hello, history scholars. Mrs. Olson here. Today's lesson is titled Colonial Government Vocabulary. Our learning target reads that you will be able to define vocabulary terms for U.S. government lessons. We have been learning about the establishment of the 13 colonies and the geography of the different regions. Now we will learn how the colonists organized different systems of government. So, you are going to, after you watch the video lesson, click to the next page where you will see the same learning target and the assignment in either Word or PDF, whichever one works for you. I already have the Word version pulled up, and let me bring it into view a little bit better. Okay, so at the top, we have our learning target again. Here is the entry task. So what you will be doing for the entry task is to draw. You are going to sketch images that make you think of government in this space below. So you might think of presidents, you might think of laws, you might think of different people that are involved in different branches of government. So anything that makes you think of the term government, I would like you to sketch or draw in this space right here. Okay, so take a minute or two to do that. You can pause the video, and then when you're done sketching the entry task, you are going to come down here to the actual assignment, which says that you're going to use a dictionary. So it can be an actual dictionary that you hold in your hand and you turn the pages, or you can use an online dictionary. And you are going to write the definitions for each of these in the table below. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 terms that you are going to be defining to help you understand colonial government. Okay, so what I've done is I've left myself a tab to show you that you can use an online dictionary. Okay, so all I did was type up the word dictionary, and the very first one that comes up is dictionary.com, which is totally fine. Okay, so our first term is charter. So we put the word charter, we have to spell it, type it in the search line here so that dictionary.com knows what to look for. And then you are going to use the first definition. So you can copy this word for word into the assignment. Now, if you've printed it, you are obviously writing the definition in these spaces here. If you are typing it and doing an electronic version, you need to take this definition and type it in here. Document issued by the state. Go back. Outlining the conditions under which gotta go back again. Corporation, colony, or city. Go back again. Organized and defined by rights and privileges. Okay, so you're going to do that for each term. and you can either write it if you have printed it or type it in these boxes here. So what you are doing once again is establishing a basis of understanding for these very important terms that we will be using in our U.S. government lessons. So before we get to those lessons, you want to define them so that you understand how these are used when we do our reading on how the colonists organized their own governments. Okay, so remember to sketch that right here. That's the entry task, and then put in the definitions for these terms here. And then you need to upload it and submit it in the assignment. All right, guys, ask me questions if you have them. Bye.